What's up, my name is TechNoba here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. Recently, GitHub Copilot, an AI assistant for coding that I found incredibly useful. You need to sign up for private beta access, it's completely free. It was previously available for only Visual Studio Code as far as I understand, but now it has come to release in Visual Studio 2022. In the description down below, you'll find the official blog post on the 29th of the 3rd, 2022, talking about how to download GitHub Copilot. Let's go ahead and install it. I'll simply open up Visual Studio and open up any project here, or you can choose Continue Without Code. When you've opened up a project, simply click Extensions at the very top, and then Manage Extensions. Inside of this new pop-up, head across to Online, and it'll be searching for GitHub Copilot. Check for this one over here, GitHub Copilot, created by GitHub. Simply click Download, and once it's been installed, you'll need to close Visual Studio entirely. When you do close it, you should see a window pop up installing the actual plugin itself. Then simply click Modify, and wait for it to install. When it's done, click Close and reopen Visual Studio. When you see a pop-up like this, simply click OK and your browser should then open. Inside of here, we'll be asked to either sign in or enter a code. If you're asked to sign in first, then you should be asked to enter a code. Simply hit Ctrl-V to paste and then hit Continue. If you don't have anything copied, inside of Visual Studio, you'll see at the very bottom a device authentication code has been copied to the clipboard. Simply enter that here. Then click Authorize GitHub Copilot plugin, and now we're all set. We can close the browser, and we're back in Visual Studio. You'll then shortly after be asked to accept the telemetry terms, etc. I'll click Yes, and it says Successfully Authorized GitHub Copilot in my output window down here, showing output from GitHub Copilot. Awesome. So now if we get into some actual code, let's see, read from file, it gives me suggestions over here, or at least what it thinks are suggestions. I don't see how this code relates, but anyway. We can use Ctrl-Alt and either of the square brackets to navigate forwards and backwards between suggestions. So I'll say read text file maybe, and we can change between suggestions, though there's only one suggestion here. Anyways, GitHub Copilot is working as expected, and it should make coding quite a bit easier. Anyways, that's about it for this super quick tutorial. Thank you all for watching. My name's been TechNoba here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!